Hey everyone, and welcome back to how to create animated gradient backgrounds in After Effects. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to choose our colors for the gradient background, and then how we can create a color palette for our project. Sometimes choosing the right color scheme for your projects can be excruciatingly difficult. Whether you're using color to convey emotional states, trigger actions, or set the mood, the choice of color can be especially difficult to pick for a beginner. Luckily for us, Adobe Color helps us with this and has made it very easy to find and create cohesive color palettes for your projects. All you need to do is open up your browser and then enter color.adobe.com, and you'll be greeted to a cool looking color wheel like this with 5 color selectors that you can move around like this, and they also correspond to the color squares below. So if you move one of the color selectors, it will change the color squares accordingly, like so. Now the colors selected all depend on which color rule you have selected on the left side of the screen over here. Now over here you can choose from 6 different color harmony rules or create a custom one at the bottom. Feel free to experiment with each of these to come up with a color scheme that you like. So the base color that you choose, which is always represented by the middle here, the middle square here, will determine what the other 4 colors are going to be. So if we go ahead and drag this color selector, you'll see that the color that we've selected determines what these other colors are going to be. And this will be the same for all the other rules as well that we select, like so. So feel free to experiment, and we're just going to use the first color rule here. Awesome. So once you've chosen your color scheme, all we have to do is either take a note of all 5 of these color codes at the bottom here, or use the snipping tool on Windows. So simply open up the snipping tool like so, select new snip, and then we're just going to select our color scheme here. And then once that's been selected, just simply hit the save snip button to save it. And you can save it as an image file. Now if you don't have the snipping tool available, simply creating a screenshot is also going to have the same effect. Now you can also create a color scheme from an image. All you have to do is click on extract from image on the top left of the screen here, and then just drag and drop your file into the middle like so. And the Adobe Color will pick the color scheme for you. So you can see we've got a cool little color scheme at the bottom here, which has been picked from our image like so. Now you can edit these colors using different color moods on the left, exactly the same way that we use the color harmony rules in the color wheel. So you can see as we select each of these, it selects different colors for our color scheme at the bottom here. And then all we have to do to save this is again print screen or use the snipping tool. Excellent. So there we have it, how to choose and create a color scheme for our gradient background. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to use these colors in After Effects. See you all there.